We gave up our all the savings. I was a winner of YouTube Next Up 2019, where only 10 artists were selected from all over the India. I want my culture to be known by everybody. Johar Jotoko, Ingdo Tom Murmu. I'm a singer, composer. I sing in Santhali language. It is a language of Jharkhand. Let me first tell you about Jharkhand. Jharkhand is a tribal state. Jharkhand has 32 tribes and I come from Santhal tribe. Santhal is largest community in Jharkhand state. We as Santhals are very enthusiastic about singing and dancing. We have different kind of music forms like dong, lagde, durumja, baha, sohrai and many more. We sing these songs on different occasions like wedding, while hunting, while harvesting and many others. We also have our folk instruments like tirya, banam, tumda, tamak and many others. Why I am telling you all these things? Because I am heavily inspired from our culture. What I am making today, the songs, the music, are inspired from my culture. Our culture is so rich, I want people to know about it. I'm trying to fusion our folk music and modern music together and serve it to the audience. The more people will know about it, the more they will know that how rich our culture is. And I want our language, our music to be in mainstream music. From childhood, I am into singing. I was in choir group. I used to participate in cultural programs and many others. In 2015, I was in Ranchi. I went for graduation over there. When everybody was hanging with their friends, busy with their girlfriend and boyfriends, I choose music and singing as a career. I thought to make my career in this only because I was somewhere or other I was seeing future in this. Also, I wanted because I wanted my culture to I want my culture to be known by everybody. From 2015 to 2018, in between this, we have did so many things. We made short films. We also made songs for the short films. I have also acted in some of the short films. We did many things. At that time, we didn't have that much money, much resource, much equipments to do all those things, but somehow we all did it. Late night jamming, everything. In 2018, it was my turning point because at that time we thought to record a original song in a studio, but at that time we didn't have much money. So we, our friends, have collected together some of the money and we recorded the song. After that we didn't have money to make a video because for a proper video you at least need at least 20,000 minimum. So that also somehow we managed to do it. I and my friend, we gave up our all the savings we have and somehow we made the video. But when the video came out in one day, uh, the views was crossed 10k plus. So our hard work paid off some way or other. So we were really happy at that time. Our songs were really good. People were started to liking it. The audience we have gained are from Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Nepal, Assam, Bangladesh, West Bengal, like this, and people started to love our song, what we are making, like how we are fusing our folk song with modern music. So in less time, we did great on YouTube, and we crossed 100K plus subscribers in very less time. And it's a hard work of everybody around me, those who were helping me to grow. After this, I have collaborated with many other YouTube artists, rap artists like Mr. Tribe, rapper Blaze, Raj Music. So they are very good rap artists from Jharkhand, and the song we made, it did very well in YouTube. I also uh, collaborated with many other artists, and it was fun because I was getting to know everybody, how they are singing, how is their style. So I was learning from all of them. So I was not what to say. मैं बस अपने तक सीमित नहीं था, मैं अपने आप को एक्सपेंड कर रहा था, दूसरों से सीख रहा था कि और कैसे किया जा सकता है। अगर मैं सिर्फ खुद में रहता, सो मे बी एट दैट टाइम आई वोंट बी able to do that. Also, I'm looking forward to work with many young artists, those who are trying really hard to get a name on a YouTube. In 2019, I got an opportunity from YouTube India. Uh, I was a winner of YouTube Next Up 2019, where only 10 artists were selected from all over the India. So I was the one, and I was the first one from the Jharkhand as well. So it was really a proud moment because it was for the first time that a tribal guy was going to Mumbai for something like this, where I was going to meet many big artists like Raja Kumari, Badshah, and many. There were many. So I was really hesitated at that time, but uh, I was also very excited about that. So there were I met many friends from all over the India, and it was really fun. I got to learn many things, and I think YouTube is a great platform for an independent artist like us because because what we do that a music label can't understand. So YouTube give us that opportunity so that we can show our talent independently. The journey was really tough uh, because from 2015 to 2018, I have learned many things. I have learned many things like an empty stomach can teach you many things, an empty pocket can teach you many things. I remember that late night jamming, and working with our friends, working on music, working on films, and many things. The journey was tough, but I learned many things from my mistake, from my journey, what I have did. Because I remember I used to jam with my friends at night. I used to make music with friends at night. हमारे पास खाने के लिए पैसे नहीं रहते थे, महीने के बीच में ही खत्म हो जाते थे क्योंकि हमें घर से उतना नहीं मिलता था, बट somehow I was passionate about music and singing बचपन से ही. So we never gave second thought about this. We just kept on working, 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 and working. And this thing led us to led us very far. And here we are. And I'm happy that I learned so many things from my mistake. Also, I learned many things from others' mistakes. After my first song, my second and third song was flopped. At that time, I was really disappointed. Also, I was depressed because after the first song, which was a massive hit in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Assam, Nepal, Bangladesh. So the second song and third song which I made was really a flop, but I never gave up. I didn't give up at that time. I didn't want to, because if I would have gave up that time, maybe आज मैं यहाँ नहीं होता और मैं आज आप लोग से अपना स्टोरी शेयर नहीं कर रहा होता. सो नेवर गिव अप. कॉज आजकल के जो यूथ हैं काफ़ी जल्दी गिव अप कर देते हैं. काफ़ी जल्दी वो लोग डिसअपॉइंट हो जाते हैं कि हमें फेम नहीं मिल रहा है, हमारे काम को सराहा नहीं जा रहा है. सो वन थिंग लेट मी टेल यू, सक्सेस डोंट कम इन वन डे. You have to work hard. Maybe like me, I worked for 3 years, day and night, sleepless night, no money. But after 3 years, everything was changed in one night. So maybe किसी किसी को 4-5 साल लग सकते हैं, किसी को 1 साल लग सकते हैं, किसी को फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में ऐसा मिल सकता है. बट नेवर गिव अप. इफ यू विल गिव अप देन मे बी शायद तुम उस चीज़ के लिए बने ही नहीं हो. Also, never say no to anything. Never. Because no नो होना ही नहीं चाहिए आपकी ज़िंदगी में. नो का वजूद ही नहीं होना चाहिए. इफ़ यू वांट टू डू इट, अपनी ज़िंदगी से नो हटा दीजिए. आपको करना है मतलब करना है. नो बडी कैन स्टॉप यू. विद these few words, I am signing off. And very much thank you to my Canvas Talk for having me here and giving me opportunity to share my journey with people all over the world. I'm very thankful to my Canvas Talk. Jar.